Hey, hello everyone. Here I've got a Mercedes model from the brand MG. This is the first model I got from this brand. It's in a 1/64 scale, and as we can see here, it's a 190E 2.5 16 Evolution. Not much information on the package, so I think we can conclude that it's a non-licensed product. But let's see what we got and how it looks. Got this here in the back. I like that. Comes in a display case. And we can see it's a limited edition. 499 pieces are made. That's pretty limited. And this is number 184. Okay, we got lanced front lights and a nice Mercedes logo in the middle. I have to say the lights look very good. Then we go into the wheels. We got a brake disc and a yellow brake claw. Rubber tires. Windows on the side. We even got a windscreen wiper here in the middle. Side mirrors also in the back. Brake disc, brake claw. Love the black rims. They look really cool. Oh, and I kind of like this license plate. Chrome look, I like that. And 119E here and 2.5 16 here. Got the exhaust pipe in black, lanced rear lights, and there's also heating in the back window. I like that. Let's have a look in the interior. Pretty good steering wheel, but looks a little bit, the position looks a little bit weird of the steering wheel, but for the rest is okay. No color details. Even see some details on the door panel. And we got nice bucket seats with seat belts, all in black or non-colored. Okay, let's take it off the base because I'm pretty curious if it has a metal base. 2 screws. There we go. No, not a metal base. It's a plastic base with some details. I think with the exhaust here, that's a little bit weird. Don't like that. Are they rolling wheels? No, the wheels aren't rolling. So no rolling wheels, but the looks of it are very cool. I like brake disc, brake claw. Quality looks good, but yeah, unfortunately no metal base, and the exhaust, hey, what's that? And it was a little bit too tight on the display. So now it looks like it got a little bit of a flat tire, but overall pretty good model, but a lot of room for improvement. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this model. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.